Good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session now I want to give the answers for the course Cryptography and Network Security for NPTEL Swayam Central of July 2022. So this is the course Cryptography and Network Security, and the due date for this particular course is August 10th. So this is the week 1 assignment. Now I am providing the answers for week 1 assignment according to my knowledge, as per my knowledge. Okay, so let us see the answers for the assignment 1, week 1 assignment 1. Now coming to the question number 1. Okay, so the traditional crypto system consists of, for this is, the answer is C, that is 5. And coming to the question number 2, the PCK denote plain text space, ciphertext space, and key space. P for plain text space, C for ciphertext space, and K for key space, respectively. In shift cipher, P is equal to C is equal to K is equal to Z26. If the key for shift cipher is K is equal to 12 and the plain text is 21, then the ciphertext is, for this the answer is 7, that is B. Okay. Next, coming to the question number 3. Caesar cipher is an example of mono-alphabetic cipher. So the answer for question number 3 is B. Now coming to the question number 4. Shift cipher is secure. Is it true or false? For this the answer is false. That is B. Now coming to the question number 5. That is the key space for Vigenère cipher of length M is. For this the answer is A. That is Z26 to the power of M. Now coming to the question number 6, which are the most frequently found letters in English language? The most frequently found letters in our English language is E and T, that is C. Okay, for this the answer is C for question number 6. Now coming to the question number 7, if the sender and receiver use different keys, the system is referred to as B, that is asymmetric system. So answer is B for this. Now, question number 8. Dash is the concept that tells us about the replacement of every alphabet and the entire series gets shifted by some quantity. For this, the answer is shift cipher. It is the concept for fixing by some fixed quantity. So this is shift cipher. The answer is D for this question number 8. Now coming to the question number 9. Suppose the ciphertext for Caesar cipher is SDUWB. Which of the following is the corresponding plain text? For this the answer is C, that is party. And now coming to the last question, that is normally cryptography works for all. That is entity authentication, non-repudiation of message, confidentiality. So all of them. Okay. Once again we see all the answers from the first question onwards. Let us see for the first question, that is C, that is 5 tuple, and coming to the question number 2, that is B, coming to the question number 3, that is B, and question number 4 also B, which is false. Coming to the question number 5, that is A, question number 6, that is C, that is E comma T are the letters most frequently found in English language, and question number 7, that is asymmetric system, question number 8, that is shift cipher, question number 9, that is C, that is party, and question number 10 for all. These are the answers for the week 1, and I am going to submit these answers. So you please follow my next videos also. I will upload all the assignments for this particular course of all the answers. Thank you one and all. Thank you so much.